Hello, viewers. You must have noted that the recent wars uh, between Armenia and Azerbaijan and the current war between Russia and Ukraine has a lot to do with the drones. Drones have played important part in important missions, and Turkey, as you have noted, is kind of a superpower now in terms of drone production. Its drones, especially the TB2, is has famously performed very well in Azerbaijan and Armenia war. And now the Western drones and the Russian drones are also playing an important part in the current Ukrainian-Russian war. Today, I am going to cover the Turkish company Baker uh, drone, which is actually you can see is an upgrade of TB2 and Akinzi that I have already covered in my videos. This is called, uh, it's made by the company Baker, Bayker, and the name is Bayraktar Kizilelma. That it is said that it means red apple uh, if you translate it into the English language. It's a low observable, carrier capable, jet powered, unmanned combat aerial vehicle. The project actually started way back in 2013 and then it was called Bayraktar MIUS. It's the first design and information about characteristics of the aircraft was shared with public in July 2021. Uh, it's expected to be introduced in service in the year 2025. Uh, for now, two prototypes have been built, and the first flight was on 14 December 2022. Uh, it's significant because the earlier uh, drones uh, may be smaller, but the problem is that they are not, they are subsonic. This one is also subsonic, but its later model will be supersonic. So, as you know, the advantage of any UAV in the combat is that no risk to pilot is involved, and politically, it's less than an issue when a drone is found even among not so enemy countries, among in each other's airspace. So it mm, it was expected to made first flight in year 2023, but actually it were able to complete its first flight ahead of the expected date in December 2022. Its engine, you can say that uh, it is currently uh, a kind of joint project between Baker and Ukrainian Avachenko Progress Company, and they signed an understanding, an agreement in November 2021. So the first prototypes will go at subsonic speeds using AI 25 TLT engines. The next prototypes are expected to be supersonic with AI 322F engines. The first ready-to-fly prototype was displayed to the public in TechnoFest 2022. TechnoFest is a kind of scientific exhibition that's held yearly in Turkey. So, the body of the aircraft is low RCS supersonic airframe equipped with an AISA radar. That AISA radar actually gives very much situational awareness to the aircraft very well. Okay, the maximum speed of this aircraft is Mach point 0.9. That is 1100 kilometer per hour or 680 miles per hour. And the normal cruise speed of this aircraft is Mach point point 0.6. The combat range on internal fuel only is 930 kilometer. That is 580 miles. Uh, it means that with external fuel tanks, its combat range might be increased. Its endurance time is 5 to 6 hours, and service ceiling is 45,000 feet, that is 14,000 meters. That means it's pretty much close to normal combat aircraft service ceiling. That is usually 55,000 feet if you talk about uh, aircraft like F-16. So the 45,000 feet is quite a height, and it will be pretty much safe from level air defenses. Its operational altitude, normal altitude on which it flies is 35,000 feet, that is 11,000 meters. It's mm, as I said that initially it's subsonic. That will be called. That is the variant that is being called Kizilelma A. The B and the B will be the B model will be uh, with afterburner also, and it will be supersonic. And there is also planned a C version that will actually have uh, these B, I think, two engines of this B aircraft. So that will have extraordinary payload capacity. For as far as this A model is concerned, it has a carrying capacity of 105 1,500 kgs. That means 3,300 pounds. It has a length of 48 feet 3 inches. That's normal. I remember the normal fighter aircraft also has approximately same length. I remember the Mirage aircraft, Mirage 3 and Mirage 5 have a length of about 49 feet. So it's 48 feet. So it's about the same. And its maximum takeoff weight is 8,500 kg. That means 18,739 miles. Uh, as far as armament is concerned, within this 1,500 kg limits, almost all the weapons that can be carried by any fighter aircraft, it can also carry. For example, air-to-air missiles, most of them are Turkish made. Then the cruise missiles, then the air-to-surface missiles, then the anti-tank missiles. It can carry and the normal bombs, precision guided bombs and normal bombs that are unguided also. So it can carry almost anything. Uh, of course, the limitation is the maximum carrying weight capacity. As far as avionics is concerned, it will have an AISA radar, just like modern fighter aircrafts, and a targeting system, and if needed, or maybe they will launch special versions within these versions, electronic warfare pod, signal intelligence module. So they are all things. These things are planned for the future. Uh, the another special thing about this drone is that this aircraft is designed in a way which makes it capable of takeoff and landing on an amphibious assault ship, such as ECG and Ana- Anadolu. Anadolu. That's a Turkish warship. Uh, that for now was kind of a helicopter carrier, but since the drones don't require so much, you can take off and landing runs. And this particular drone even doesn't need a catapult system to take off and land on this amphibious assault ship. So Turkey, this will make a kind of, you can say, aircraft carrier for the Turkey because uh, although the modern fighter aircraft carry mm, up to maybe 10,000 kg and it can carry only 1,500 kg, but still on all other parameters, it is a kind of a regular fighter aircraft. And since it has a range, pretty much range of a fighter aircraft, so it can undertake any missions as a normal aircraft carrier undertakes. So, uh, mm, uh, I want to talk about this aerodynamic controls uh, feature Canard's Delta configuration. Previously seen on certain stealth aircraft such as J-20 and the Avic Dog Sword, a non-stealth aircraft such as Saab Vision and Saab Gripen. I would like to add these were also added, I think, on the Eurofighter aircraft, and also there was a specific version of Mirage 5 aircraft uh, that had these canards, uh, though that was not so popular. But these canards offer trade-off between relatively less stealth but great maneuverability. Some control measures could be implemented to reduce its impact on radar signature. So these canard at one point compromise the stealth, but on the other hand, they provide greater maneuverability. So other things can be undertaken to minimize the radar cross-section (RCS) of the aircraft. So what I can say on that I can say the good luck to the Turkish defense industry for the success in this in today's war. We can say the game-changing technology, the emerging technologies that will change the face of the war in the future. So that's all for today. I will be back with another interesting video about some other technology or another topic. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Take care for now. Bye.